Welcome to today's 3D print. I discovered part of my problem. I do not think this is the cause of the Z drop, but it's definitely part of my problem. As you can see, I got some layer issues. And that is not the printer, that is me. I noticed it was wobbling a bit, and you can see all the weight I got on here now. Because this print surface is not actually secured down, it's just held on by the binder clips. The problem is it's flexible. So this part can actually wiggle, and the bed will flex and allow it to wiggle. I noticed it doing that, and when I put the weights on it, it pushed the whole entire model down just a hair, enough that those layers couldn't attach. Thankfully, it was able to continue. Then I have another tiny little layer shift here when one of these mugs fell off, and it jiggled the model. So now I have a piece of tape holding each of them in place. Apparently it wiggled enough for the mug to eventually fall off. Maybe jump like crazy. So once this print is finished, I don't have enough plastic to restart it in this color, so I'm just going to let it finish and I'll try to repair it. But once this print is finished, I'm going to have to devise a way of attaching this properly. I wanted to retain the ability to flex it. So I'm going to go to a metal shop tomorrow and see if I can get like a nice piece of spring steel or something like that. Something that I can put a small arc in, and then when the binder clips attach, it'll flatten that arc, but still give me that ability to flex a tiny bit. I might just have to bite the bullet and buy the Print and Z plate that is the actual plate, not a skin, so that I can properly flex this thing to get prints off. Because you really do need to flex it to get the prints off sometimes. They really stick very, very well. More to come. Oh, what I did for now, I reseated all the electrical connections for the Z motor and whatnot, and I made sure that it's completely free, that nothing is touching it. I can't do anything more with it now because it's actually printing, but I'm also going to, can you see that? Yes. I'm also going to zip tie that cable so that from the zip tie to the actual plugs can never move, just like I did here. I don't know if you can see that, but I have this zip tied to the beam here. So while this can move, you'll notice it does not move past here where it actually goes to the stepper. So I don't have to worry about the stepper wire being jiggled as this raises up and down. What else did I do? I tightened this up a little more, hoping that would be enough to make sure it can't fall down. I'm also going to, even if I fix this problem, I'm going to make a cantilever. I'm going to make a pulley balance system. I'm going to attach a cable here to this arm and have a thing up here. I'm going to 3D print and a cable going through 2 Teflon tubes to the backside with a weight equal to the mass of this gantry, so that even if something does happen intermittent, gravity can't pull the gantry down, and they'll also take the load off of the stepper, since the stepper will have a lot less work to do to raise and lower it. And we shall go from there.